dimensions of the die sets are as follows. This one. So these are the 1 2 3 4 5 parts of the die sets, and then we will assemble all these 5 parts, then we will complete a die sets. So let's start with the first one, that is this axle support malleable iron the metal is. Okay, now from here go to annex, then again first step select the model and make it okay from here. Now starting with the 2D profile, first what we have to do is to select the sketch on which plane you want to work. So from here go to sketch, then select the plane or face of plane, then click on the XY plane and make it okay from here like this one. Okay, so starting with the first profile, go on rectangle, taking this as a start point, create a rectangle of width 82. From here make it 82 and make the height of 37 like this one, and click on this. Rectangle has been created. Now what we have to do is to provide the fillet at the end. Okay, from here go to fillet, make the radius of 5 like this one, and take this one and select this line. Okay, we have to create the fillet of 5 between these two lines and these two lines. Okay, like this one. Now finish the sketch and make it isometric view from here like this one. Now what we have to do is to extrude this curve. From here select the connected curve and make it like this one, and make the distance up to 10. From here make the boolean to none, and then make it okay. From here the vector should be in z direction. Okay, now make it okay from here like this one. What we have to do is to right click on this and make it height from here like this one. Again bring it to isometric view like this one. Now what we have to do is to work on this back face. Okay, so from here select the sketch, then select the planar face of plane, then select this face and make it okay from here like this one. Okay, first what we have to do is to make it fit. So from here you will get a fit this span. From here make it fit like this one. Okay, so select a line command and take with the midpoint of the extrude. From here you will get a midpoint of the extrude like this one, and go up with the length of 48. From here make it 48 like this one, and make the angle of 90 like this one. Right click on this and make it orient view to sketch. Now let's cancel the command from here and making the line, making the circle of diameter. From here create a diameter of 40. From here make it to 40 like this one. Okay, now what we have to do is to create a line as the center, because we have to trim the half circle. So let's create a circle, the divided one between the two. It is something tilted. Let's create it again. From here take it extrude. Okay, like this one. Now from here go to quick trim, you will get a quick trim. From here select the curve to be trimmed, this one, this one, this one, then this one too, and then this one. Also trim this line, it is reference line, you can also take as a reference. From here select the line and join the starting point of this curve and the ending point of this extrude like this one. Then taking this point and take the line up to the end like this one, and then again select the line and then join these 2 points from here like this one. Okay, now from here make it finish sketch and then bring it to isometric view from here like this one. Okay, now what you have to do is to go on extrude, then select the curve, select any curve due to connected curve or curves are connected to each other. Unable to create body is due to this direction. We have to give this in y direction like this one, and make it 10, no problem. From here make it unite to the body selected because only one body present, and make it okay from here like this one. Now what we have to do is to right click on this and make it height from here. Now rotate it. We have to work on this face, then again go to sketch, then select the face of this extrude and make it okay from here like this one, and again go to circle command, taking the center of the circle from here like this one, make a circle of diameter 40 again like this one, and again go to extrude. From here let's first bring it to isometric view from here like this one. Okay, make it to 2. From here make it to 2, reverse the direction from here and make it okay from here like this one. Okay, now let's hide this sketch, right click and hide this sketch too. Now what we have to do is to work on this. Okay, so again go to sketch and then make it okay from here like this one. Let's start taking the circle and create a circle, taking this as a point, create a circle of diameter 18 like this one, and again bring it to isometric view. We are not making it finish sketch because only one circle is present. So in the extrude we don't need to select that curve, or we automatically selected. Okay, from here reverse the direction. From here make it to subtract like this one. From here make it to until next like this one, and make it okay. From here hole has been created. Let's hide this from here. Okay, now what we have to do is to create these two holes. Okay, from the distance of 25 and the distance would be of 12. So from again go to NX, then select the sketch. We have to select this planar face or plane, okay, because we have to work on this. So select this one and make it okay. From here let's make it pan from here. In this you will get a plus point, that means the point. Okay, so specify the point, give the any point on this, okay, like this one. Let's make the rapid dimensioning of this. From here taking the distance, first point as this one and second point of this, make this as 25. It is 24.1. Let's make it to 25. Re-edit it and make it 25 like this one. Now what we have to do is to select this one and then select this one, and let's take it. This is 2015, make it to 12. Let's edit it to 12 like this one. Okay, point has been created. Now again go to circle, taking this point as a center point, make a diameter of 22 like this one. Now what we have to do is to make it to bring to isometric view. From here let's make it finish sketch, then again go to extrude. Let's extrude this circle up to, from here make it again to Z like this one. Let's reverse the direction, body has been selected, only one body present, and make it okay from here like this one. Okay, now what we have to do is to again go to sketch and then go on this face of extrude and make it okay from here like this one. Again creating the circle from here of diameter 11. We need a hole of diameter 11 like this one. Okay, again go to finish sketch and then bring it to isometric view like this one. Again go to extrude and we have to subtract this to all, okay, up till the end point to create a hole. Then reverse the direction from here. From here make up to until next like this one and make it okay from here like this one. Let's hide the sketches. Right click on this and make it hide. Right click on this and make this hide like this one. Now we need the same to extrude in the opposite side too, so we can easily do with the help of the mirror feature. So first we need the plane at the center, so again go to center atom plane, taking this face of extrude, reverse the direction. We need the half, means the 82 divided should be divided by 2 like this one, and make it okay. From here it is at the center. From the more you will get a mirror feature like this one. Now select which feature should be mirrored like this one. Let's see, this extrude, no, extrude 10, okay, then select extrude 12, okay, like this one. Now specify the plane, select the center plane and make it okay from here like this one. Okay, it has been created. Now let's hide this sketch from here, make it hide. Now what we have to do is to create a sketch on this. Okay, so from here select this one and make it okay from here like this one. Okay, let's make it pan. From here taking the center, from here the midpoint, go straight up to the length of 27, make the angle of 0. Go in the left, means the length should be of line, and make it 10 like this one. From here come to 20. From here make it to 20 and angle like this one. From here make it 18 and angle 270. Then again 20 and angle 0. And then join these two, means the length should be of 9 and make the angle of 90 like this one. Okay, let's cancel this and fast quick trim the extra portion. Trim this one, trim this center line, and rest all is fine. Okay, so from here make it finish sketch and then bring it to isometric view from here like this one. Now what we have to do is to extrude this. From here taking this connected curve, this rectangle, square or rectangle, make it to 32 in the height like this one. Let's make it draft. We need the draft. From here first make it to 0 like this one, and let's make that, let's take it to like this one. Let's take it to the until the end point, okay, until it get matched like this one. Let me see you with the rotate like this one. It has been matched like this one, and then make it okay, means the angle should be of 17, and make it okay from here like this one. It is creating a draft tool body completely outside the body because we have selected this subtract. So from here first let's do it to none. Now it will create like this one. It is create. Okay, with the none it has been created. Let's hide this sketch from here and make it like this one. Now again let's see with the rotate one. Okay, like this one it has been created. Okay, there is a gap between these two, so it can be easily replaced with the help of replace face. From here go to replace face, select the face, select this face, and let's replace it. Okay, you can see it has been easily replaced like this one. Okay, now the first part of the die set has been completely. Now go and save this file, and then we will work with the second, with the help with the second part of the die set. Make it okay from here. Similarly as we done before, go on sketch, then select the planar face of plane, click on this xy plane and make it okay from here like this one. Now we have to create the 2D profile, so from here go to profile command, and then let's start creating a 2D profile. Go the length of 38 like this one and make the angle 0. Go up with the length of 10 and make the angle of 90 like this. Go in the left with the length, make it to 14 and 180 like this one. Go up means the length 35 and make it to 90 like this one. Then again go up with the length of 2 and make it 90 like this one. Go in the left with the length of 14 and make it 0. Go up with the length of 3 and make it to 90. Then similarly from here make it to 38 like this one. Let's cancel the command from here and let's zoom it out. Okay, like this one. Now we have created this two extra lines. So first go on line and then join this point and this line. We need this line as a diagonal. Okay, now let's quick trim the extra portions, trim this one and then trim this one. From here go to line and then create a center line. From here let's create a center line of how many length, no problem. Let's right click on this and make it convert to reference. From here make it convert to reference like this one. In this dialog box you will get a mirror curve. Okay, so go on this, select the curve. From here select the single curve, then select this curve, this one, and then this, and then this one. Also select this, select the center line, select this center line and make it okay from here. Now what you have to do is to make it finish sketch and then bring it to isometric view like this one. Similarly you will get a revolve. From here go to revolve, select the curve, click on any curve due to connected curve. How curves are connected to each other? Specify the vector, give this x-axis, then specify the point, drag your mouse, you will get a point on this line like this one and make it from here. Let's bring it to isometric view like this one. Okay, let's right click on this and make it hide from here. Again go on sketch, then select this face of the circle. Okay, select this face as a working face and make it okay from here. Face of revolve 2 and make it okay from here. Then again go to circle and create a circle of diameter 36, make it to 36. Let's make it to bring to isometric view because only one circle, no need to make the finished sketch. Let's directly do the extrude. Okay, it should be in the reverse direction. From here the direction should be in x-axis and make this as 38. From here let's do it to unite, body has been selected, only one body present and make it okay from here like this one. Okay, let's hide this one and then again select the sketch and then select this curve. From here select this one and then like this one. Again similarly go on this circle from here and let's create a circle of diameter 22. From here make it to 22. We have to create a hole, then again only one circle present, so directly do the subtract. From here go to extrude, curve has been already selected because you have not made it finish sketch. Reverse the direction. From here do it to subtract. Let's drag it to the outer no problem. How much? Like this one, hole has been created. So here we have done with the second part of the die sets. Now go and save this one where we have saved the first part, then we will work with the third part. Doing with the third part of the die sets, first go on model and make it okay from here like this one. In this we have to create a simple profile. So from here go to sketch, similarly as the similar work, then select on this xy plane and make it okay from here like this one. Now what we have to do, similarly we have to create a 2D profile. So starting from this point, go straight or go up with the length of 9. From here make it to 9 and make the angle of 90 like this one. Okay, now let's go in the left, means the length should be of 12 and make it to 180. Go up with the length of 2 and make the angle of 90. Go in the left, means let's make the angle of 54 and make the angle of 180 like this one. Again go down, similarly go to and make the angle of 270. Go in the, let's first make it to orient to sketch, so you will get a fit screen like this one. Then again similarly go this side to 12 and make it to 180, then go down with the length of 9 and 270 and then join these 2 points, mean the length should be of 78 and make it to 0. From here let's cancel this and then let's convert this line as convert to reference. From here convert to reference, then finish it and bring it to isometric view from here like this one. Now similarly we have to create a connecting rod. So from here select the curve, specify the vector, give this x-axis, then drag your point on this one, you will get a like this one and make it okay from here. Let's bring it fast to isometric view. Then from here you will get a chamfer command, then go on chamfer. We have to give the chamfer for removing the stress concentration. Make this to 2 and 45. Select this end also and make it okay from here. So here we are done with the third part of the die sets. So let's save this one and then we will work with the fourth part of the die set. Let's go and design the fourth part. That is basically a base of the die sets where all the parts will get attached. So from here select the plane, click on this xy plane and make it okay from here. Now the first we have to create the 2D profile. So first starting with the rectangle, we have to create a rectangle of width, means it should be of 36 and make the height of 82. From here make it 82 like this one and click on this and rectangle will be like this one created, and make it finish sketch and then bring it to isometric view from here. Then what we have to do is to extrude this one. Due to connected curve, select on any curve, all curves are connected to each other. Make this to distance of 16. Make the extrude distance up to the 16. From here first change the direction, it should be in the z direction. From here like this one and make this as 16. Make this distance as 16, that's it is 15 and make it 16. From here make it to none and then make it okay from here like this one. Okay, then what we have to do is to create a surface over this face. Okay, so from here go to sketch, then create a surface on this one and make it okay from here like this one. Let's pan it or make it to fit, so you will get the on the whole screen like this one. Okay, now we need that in the horizontal. From here we need that in horizontal, so let's control Z it and then again select the sketch on this face, and from here sketch orientation let's change it to vertical from here and like this one. Now we will get in a straight way. Okay, so now make it fit. From here go to profile, starting with the midpoint of the extrude. Where is the midpoint? Let's see. Yeah, there is the midpoint of the extrude. Go left with the length of 30. From here make it 30 and make the angle of 180 like this one. Go down with the length of 82 with the end at the end. Okay, then in the right go with the 60, then 0. Go up with the length of 82 and make it to 90. Then again join these 2 points. From here make it to 30 and make it 180 like this one. Then let's cancel this command and make it finish sketch and bring it to isometric view from here like this one. Then what you have to do is to extrude this one up to the 4. From here extrude this to the distance of 4 and then make this one as unite to the body and make it up from here like this one. Now what you have to do is to mm, make a profile at the bottom also. We need to subtract that one. Okay, so from here select the face, this one. Okay, from where select this one, from here again make it to horizontal and then make it okay from here like this one. Let's pan it. Okay, starting with the profile command, taking something from here. Let's take that one to the midpoint like this one, no problem. From here take it to this one and then go left with the length of 24 like this one and make the height of 4. From here make the height of 4 and 90. Go in the left means the length with 48 and angle 0. Then again down to 4 and make it to 270 like this one, and then join these 2 points with the 24 and angle 180. Again make it finish sketch and bring it to isometric view. From here take it to like this one. Now we have to subtract this one to 82. Okay, so from here go to extrude, select any curve from here like this one. Okay, direction is wrong because we have selected at this one. Let's do then it in the y direction because x in that, do it with the y. From here make it to subtract, take this one to the until next like this one and make it okay from here. Okay, now the downward portion has been removed. Okay, let's see it from back like this one. Now let's make it hide all the sketches from here. So and hide, let's remove the sketches from here. All the sketches has been removed. Okay, so again bring it to isometric view from here. Now what you have to do is to work on this face. So from here click on sketch, then click on this and make it okay from here like this one. Again the same problem, let's again do it with the vertical one. Let's from here change it to a reference as vertical and make it okay from here. Okay, so now in this you will get a plus point. Click anywhere on this like this one. Okay, now let's do the rapid dimensioning of this point. So from this point to this end the distance should be of 12. From here make it to 12. From here let's do it to 12, and again let's first make it to fit. Then again taking this point and the end point of this, the distance would be of 70. From here make it to 70. Let's do it to 70. Okay, like this one. Okay, we have got that point. Let's hide this one. No need to hide also like this one. Now we have to create a circle from here. So from here select a circle of diameter 11 like this one and make it to finish sketch. Don't make it finish sketch, we need to make a mirror. So first create a midlines from here, create a reference midline from here, it like this one, and again second in the vertical. From here take the midpoint of the extrude and then take it to like this one. Let's again go to mirror curve. From here you will get a mirror curve. From here make sure this would be a single circle, select this curve. Now select the center line, make this line as a center line, you will get a curve on this. Now make it apply, then again select this curve and then select this curve, select the line, select this line, and you will get a curve on this. Okay, these two lines are already converted into the reference line. Now make it finish sketch and then bring it to isometric view from here. Then again go to extrude, we have to subtract these all the curves. From here take this one, then again select this one, select this third one, and then select this one. Unable to create body due to this dimensioning. From here make it to z-axis, reverse the direction. From here let's make it to until next and make it okay from here. Okay, the holes has been created. Now we have to give the edge blend at the corners to remove the stress concentration. So from here go to H plane, then make the radius of 12. Let's see what is happening. Okay, this much is enough. Then select this one, and then at the end we need that, so let's make it rotate, and then select this one and make it apply. Okay, like this one. Again bring it to isometric view like this one, then again make it to 2. Let's see what happening in this edge. Okay, let's do it 1.5. What is going to happen? No, let's make it 2. Okay, and then also select this one too and make it okay from here. This one is enough. Okay, now we are done with the fourth part of the die sets. So let's save this one, and then we will work with the die sets 5, the last part of the die sets part, and that is a simple screw that will connect the two part of the die sets. So again, let's starting with the sketch, and then select this XY plane. From here make it to horizontal and make it okay from here like this one. Then again go on this circle, creating a circle from this point of 21.9, because that diameter of 22, so we have to make a 0.1 tolerance of the pin. So from here make it to finish sketch, bring it to isometric view, then make it extrude, then select the curve has been selected and make it to 2. From here make it to none, and then make it from here. This has been created. Now what we have to do is to create a circle again on this, the top of this. Select this one. From here select the circle command and make a circle of diameter 10.9, the 0.1 difference with the original, that will go in a hole. Okay, like this one, and make it finish sketch. Then again from here make it to extrude, and then select this curve. From here click on this curve, and then make the distance of 16, and then from here make it to unite like this one and make it okay from here. Okay, now we have to save this part, and then we will work with the assembly one. Okay, designing all the parts of the die sets, we are going to assemble all the parts. So from here now select the assembly and make it okay from here. Then it will give an option to select the parts. Then where we have saved the parts, we have to select one by one all the parts. Okay, so there are this is coming, it will take a little bit time. Okay, so here we are with the select the parts. So in this you will get a open, then go on open command, and then it will take to your computer system. So now I have saved the 5 parts here. So let's select one by one and bring it to the center. Always try to bring all parts at the center. So it is coming. So here we are at the, now make the apply, then always try to make the reference at 0 0 0. Okay, then all the parts would be at the center. Similarly we have to bring all the parts. So again do with the die set 2, make it okay, then apply, and again try to bring it to center. Similarly do fast and bring all the 5 parts. Let's bring this one, make it apply, bring to it the center. After bringing sub center, we can make the separate each and every part with the help of move component command. Let's aim with the die set 4, make that apply and okay, then do the same with the die set 5, make it and apply, then make that okay from here. Now our work is to separate each and every part from the center. Okay, so here you will get an option of move component. So from here select the move component. Now select the component, try selecting each and every part one by one. Now remove this one, separate this one to another end, make that apply, then select this one, and then let's specify the orientation and make separation of this. Now make that apply, then try to separate this one, specify the orientation, and let's make that separate, make that apply. Now let's do that and make that apply from here, and then do similar with this one. Let's make that like this one. Now we have to join this one and this one, so we'll first take this one closer to that. Okay, let's bring this one closer to that. Let's rotate it about this axis so it will get a straight way. Now we have to, if you choose the yes, the plat change will lose, it will at the that position. Okay, no problem. We have to join this hole to this hole, so from here you will get an assembly constraint. Then select this, the center line in dissect 1, and then the center line in dissect 4. Okay, let's bring it to isometric view. Okay, it is like this way. Then again try connecting center line in this one. Let's right click and then select from list. It will the center line in the dissect 1, and then join center line of this. Okay, it is right. Now make that okay from here. Now they are separated by a distance. Let's make them in the closer. Then take this one, specify the orientation, take it in the z-axis, and let's take that, drag that to this one. Let's bring that closer with the help of pan. We have to work with these two, so first focus on these two. Okay, let's rotate for seeing if their holes are perfectly fitted or not. Okay, holes are perfectly fitted. Now make that, let's see once again the distance between these two. Okay, let's make that up little bit more. Okay, now we have to clear the space. Okay, at least this one, and make that okay from there. Again bring it to isometric view. Now what we have to do is to make the assembly constraint of this iron rod, and then center line of this one. Okay, like this one, and make that okay from here. Now also they are separated with the distance, so from here again go to move component, and then select the same with this one. In assembly we just need to maintain that. Let's take that, drag it to the center. We always need to learn about the axes only. Okay, after that we can move again. So again from this one go assembly, or let's do that in the later. Let's cancel this one. First bring the similar part again from here. Okay, so again go to add from here, add, then select the dissect one. Let's see. Okay, it is same, and make it okay from here. We need the similar part here also, and may also bring it to the center. Okay, let's first rotate it in the 180 or 90 degree. Let's see what it is saying. Move component, specify the orientation. Let's specify this one to the 90. From here take it to 180, like this one, and make that okay from here. And let's see if they are fit, they will get fit or not. Okay, let's move that one more because we need that in the 270. So from here specify the orientation, and let's drag that out to 90 more. Okay, like this one, and make that okay from here. Then similarly from here go to assembly constraint, then select the center line in this one. Let's rotate to see the bring one front one. Okay, then from here select the center line, then select the center line like this one. Let's make that pan from here. Okay, then select the center line in this. Let's select from list. It is an easy way to select the center line. From here you will select this one and make that okay. Now there is some distance separated, so from here go to move component, then select this one, specify this, and make that z-axis so that it can touch, it can overlap, get like this one. and make that okay from here. Okay, now you can see the rod is smaller, that they cannot connect these two. So from here go to this one and then join, select this one and let's rotate it in the x-axis. Let's take that at the perfectionist like this one. The center line, this pillar does not connect these two. Let's see what it will help. It will just hold this center one. Okay, so again from here go to assembly constraint, then select this center line, then select the center line of this one. Okay, like this one, and make that okay from here. Bring it to isometric view, then move component, let's bring it to the center. It will just hold this one. Okay, let's make that closer. Let's rotate this one and get at the center. Let's drag a little one more like this one is enough. Okay, so so now we have to align this one at the centers. So from here first do the make component and then make the specify the orientation, and let's drag it to the closer on to this one. Okay, so you can get the zoom out the pictures like this one. So from here then go to assembly constraint. In this we have to lock the this two and this two. So from here go to align and lock. You will get an option of align and lock, then select two objects, then select the center line of this one and then select the center line. Right click on this and then select from list, then select the center line in the die set one. Okay, like this one, and make that okay from here. Then from here go to move component and then drag this one to the upper one. Let's do that and drag this in the z axis, drag that one to the upper one like this one, and join these 2 points. So from here join these two and make that okay from here. Let's bring it to outer. Now what we have to do is to bring three like this from here, add and then join this point, this point and this point. That can be easily done as we have done this one. That three also can be added. Okay, so now you can see I have made all these four connected. You can also do similarly as I have done this one. Then from here go to show and hide. We have to hide all these alignments. Okay, so from here go to show and hide and then make the all the assembly constant as minus like this one, and let's close it. Now we have to do the rendering of this one. So from here go to true setting. If you want to learn the ray trace studio, you can go on this and it will give an option to add the 3D domes too, or you can also do with this advanced studio. These two will go to the option with the 3D domes. So from here you can also change the color of them. Then let's do that also, change the color of each and every. From here go to true setting editor like this one. First select this component, and what should be the color of this? Let's make that red. Let's see how it look like. Error memory access violation. Okay, let's change that one. From here go to this one. Okay, so as you know, from here you go to true setting editor and you can do the all the editing like coloring and each and every one. You can do the editing from this. Okay, thank you.